Now to a 7 on your side investigation into a growing problem in the tri-state area: squatters living in other people's homes, all on the homeowner's dime. And we've told you about a few cases over just the past 2 weeks.
And it's all due to a legal loophole, that some people are working hard to close.
Investigative reporter Dan Krauth joining us now with what he's found. Dan.
Yeah, New York has a long history of passing laws to protect tenants from greedy landlords, and for good reason. But some lawmakers say those laws have gone way too far. They say it also allows dishonest people to milk the system and to get free housing for years. We've heard from homeowner.
We are at the mercy of the squatter, the criminal.
After homeowner.
I don't have access. They changed my side locks and they changed my entire front door.
Who are fighting with squatters who have taken over their homes. In New York, if you call the police on someone who moved in without permission, if they claim to be a tenant, they can't be arrested for trespassing. The homeowner instead has to take them to court.
It's an unfortunate upside-down world.
Jake Blumenkranz is trying to change that.
They know how to work the law to stay for a certain number of days and kind of work the system.
In New York, squatters have rights after 30 days. That means the property owner can't change the locks on them, can't remove their belongings, can't cut off the utilities, or they could be arrested. Instead, property owners must go through the court system to get rid of them, a system that could take close to 2 years for a resolution.
People could stay in a home for years without having justice brought to them for staying essentially for free and making a homeowner have to pay their bills.
His newly filed bill is pretty simple. It states a tenant doesn't include squatters. You're basically defining what a tenant is.
Absolutely.
And making sure that squatters can't take advantage of the law.
That's all we're doing.
It would mean if someone breaks into a home without permission or documents, police can have the authority to arrest them. It sounds very easy.
You'd think so, but unfortunately there are many people here who are trying to fight against legislation like this.
Who is behind the opposition?
Unfortunately, there's a lot of squatter advocates, people who think that these individuals deserve more rights than those who own property.
The bill is gaining bipartisan support, and it's working its way through both houses of the legislature. Of course, we'll keep you posted on what happens. And I can tell you it is possible. Florida just passed a similar law just a few weeks ago. It allows police to arrest squatters instead of sending it through the court system, which can take about 20 months to get a resolution.